Good morning. Today is day 27 of the 30-day content challenge. And I've been doing this for a couple of weeks now, or a few weeks now, 3 weeks almost. And so today's prompt is to share a funny or embarrassing story or picture of something that I've done on my journey in my niche. Well, I wasn't sure of what to share. So I don't know that I've done a lot of goofy things, but I have something that I want to share from where I work. I work at a juvenile hall. I teach kids, and I've got a colleague that is a welding teacher he's just a very special man. He gets, not only does he get kids certified in different welding methods and techniques and different types of gas and rods and whatever. He also makes it fun. And so he did something this last week or two that I thought was kind of cute. And it also made class fun for kids, especially during this time with all this COVID thing going on and trouble with school and having to deal with issues and stuff. Sometimes you want to have something that's kind of cool. And so that's what I want to share, and I'm going to share it in a moment. If you're watching this, I am also an affiliate of the Home Business Academy, and I've got some products below. If you would like my video, I would appreciate it. If you would subscribe, I would appreciate it. And look and see if you can connect. I have a giveaway of a marketing book for online marketers that basically is priceless. It's 183 pages. We're giving it away. It leads you to signing up for some other products that could be very helpful, tools that you need if you're going into the online marketing business. So I wanted to tell you about that. And so now let me see if I can show you what I wanted to show you. So that's what I wanted to show you. I thought it was kind of cute what he did. He had these kids put this together and it makes this kind of different notes, different sounds. And he says some of the kids are pretty good. So, you know, if you ever hear those street guys that hit the drums with the hitting on the garbage cans and whatnot, he said, I'd like to get some video of that sometime. So anyway, I wanted to share it with you. You guys all have a good day, and remember, tomorrow's Valentine's Day. So see you then. Bye-bye.